Hi everyone, I'm Leslie from Midlife and Nailing It, and I would greatly appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. That would be awesome. Yesterday I got together with my mom for our annual Christmas treat making fiasco, and I thought I would show you some footage from our day. In the background, I've got some guitar playing that's going to go on, and that is provided by none other than my husband, Randy. Guitar playing is his thing, so I hope you enjoy. You're being filmed. Use that rolling pin like you know how.
Well, because it's a store-bought dough, it's not as thick.
That's why.
So I'm just.
This is our so-called red.
After 3 small tubes of red gel.
Are you kidding?
Is that crazy?
Crazy.
Yeah.
We got some birthday cake pink. Nothing says Christmas. Now what do you gotta do, Tara? You didn't flour that before you put that wax paper?
No, you don't flour it because it's store-bought dough.
Well, why can't you?
Shut up. Now.
All right, guys, this is, something else is happening here. Look at her. Rolling her Christmas pink. Look at that.
Now I gotta go get the other one.
Okay. I'm gonna try to film myself shaking. Oh, frickin' A. Wait a minute, I'll get a picture of that. You're looking at all my failures.
Come on.
Okay, everyone, that's a wrap. If there were any recipes that anyone specifically wants, please feel free to ask in the comments below. From my family to yours, happy holidays, and I'll see you soon.